Some of the last 1.5 month favorites have been the consumption-oriented sectors because of the GST rationalization. I wanted to understand from you, is all the good news already priced in, or is there going to be much more upside there? You did say FMCG should be avoided. How about maybe consumer durables or some of the other retail-specific stocks, quick commerce focused stocks that are also being seen as beneficiaries of this festive demand?
Well, I think it's too early to say that the positivity has been priced in because, the consumer is buying as we speak and the market is also trying to discount as we speak. So I think it's too early to say that the positives are in the price, and therefore this quarter earnings, I think, is going to be very critical. But I'm very clear that with more money in the hands of consumer, I think the economy can only, do well from here. I mean, based on a very common sense argument, and therefore I'm looking at very specific spaces. I mean, auto I still like. I think auto is a sector that can easily deliver a 12 to 15% up move from here. Quick commerce we like, but the valuations are not justified at current levels. I'm not a big fan of quick commerce anymore. But I think the other space that we really like is travel, tourism, and hotels. I think that's a mega theme for me. Hotel stocks on an overall basis, if you compare to global peers, are nowhere in terms of valuations. And I think some of the top hotel stocks and travel stocks could be big winners and a big beneficiary of the GST outcome. So that's one space where I think investors should definitely look at.
Now coming to the key, kind of stocks that we should be really looking at. You've marked out a few sectors that you believe are going to be the ones that may outperform. I know that you do not talk specific stocks here, but could you, help us understand large caps vis-a-vis mid caps in all of these sectors that you're betting big on, and how to select certain stocks there?
See, one key point is whatever FI selling that's happening is happening in the top 100. That's the reason, the Nifty and the large indices have not been able to do anything special in the last 1 year. And I think this is going to continue. I don't think this is an environment where we can start talking about 30,000 Nifty and 50,000 Nifty just because these are festive times. I don't think that's the right approach to markets. But I do believe that one needs to be very rational with the views. And given the FI selling and given the global environment that we are living in, top 100 should basically be avoided, but the mid-cap, small-cap side of things continue to be quite positive.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.